Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
You are watching a master at work.
Final boss, bring the fire, got my ugly attitude. Fuck a cake, fuck a hero. I ain't saving you. Pour my beer, get out my face. I'm not Deku. They tell me be a hero. I just give them the finger. I got chips on my shoulder, salty, let the flavor linger. Try to run my mouth, my words.
This is a certified hood classic.
Wait, your bigger stickers? Here's of this. Bigger stickers?
How dare you!
I am not a hero. A hero fights against injustice. A hero sacrifices for the good of man. He unites, uplifts, and inspires. I'm not a hero. My house. Your kids. I don't even like kids.
You're the one who's going to learn a lesson. People aren't going to be happy if you kill me. Блять, ёбаный!
I've never been popular. I don't mean to start now.
Clowns inside, rims spinning on carts in this orange tinted ride. Hammers and nails, but it's all for pretend. Tiny hats on bosses, where does the game end? Adult size sneakers, stomping puddles on tile. Lost in the plumbing, they wander for miles. Big energy, little sense, trying to flex with a drill. Grown men pouting hard if things ain't fitting the bill. Blurred lines on concrete, buzzing lights overhead. Cartwheels spinning, but what's real instead? Waltzing in cargo shorts, bathed in orange rays. Grown men shrink small, lost deep in the maze. Plastic tricycles racing where grown folks roam. Pacifiers traded for brushes and foam. Questions like riddles that never make sense. Reality bending right over the fence. Blurred lines on concrete, buzzing lights overhead. Cartwheels spinning, but what's real instead? Waltzing in cargo shorts, bathed in orange rays. Grown men shrink small, lost deep in a maze. Plastic tricycles racing where grown folks roam. Pacifiers traded for brushes and foam. Questions like riddles that never make sense. Reality bending right over the fence. Stepped inside these eyes wide like cartoons. Every part's a stage, let's take it to the moon. Yo, rolling through the pain aisle, big dreams in they cart. But they moving like Tyler's, thinking they so smart. Two belts dangling, but they ain't fixing scenes. Looking for direction, lost like TV screens. Break room, coffee sipping like juice box at noon. Asking how saws work, then tripping off the tune. Power walk strong, but the courage is fake. Brains in the clouds, workers ready to break. Home Depot customers, wild and confused. Acting like how you got nothing to lose. Running round the lumber, no clue what to do. Acting like a preschooler, yeah, we seeing you. That orange vest patience about to expire. Kids with blank faces staring at the wire. Tapping the glass, hey, what's this screw for? 4-year-old questions, let me show you the dough. Half grown but lost, with the car you stare. Want a grown man drill, can't assemble a chair. Got a shopping list written in crayon for real. Checking prices with a snack and juice from they meal. Home Depot customers, wild and confused. Acting like how you got nothing to lose. Running round the lumber, no clue what to do. Acting like a preschooler, yeah, we seeing you. Kai in the plumbing, tantrums in tile. Grown men whining, that's not my style. Sippy cups dripping all across every aisle. Employees hiding from that babyish rage. Box on heads, pretending to drive. Clock hands spinning, but nobody arrives. Complaints in the chorus, it's a nursery rhyme. Building up trouble, but forgetting the time. They push a ladder like it's part of the game. Wishing for stickers, but it's dirt on their name. Big boy talk with a pint-sized threat. Crayon marks and blueprints, they ain't working yet. Stumping on the lonely and tantrums crowd. Boom, they boys booming, overthrown loud. Toys in the basket, tools sideline. Hard hat crooked, still stuck in rewind. Only my customers wild and confused. Acting like Caillou, got nothing to lose. Running around the lumber, no clue what to do. Acting like a presser lawyer, yeah, we seeing you. Sliding out the door, snotty facing you. Grown body shrinking, pretending to brawl. They face the orange, toys left behind. Caillou grown up, but he still can't find. Sunset reflection and puddles on the lot. Adults chasing shadows for something they forgot. Tantrum and paint stains crawling on knees. Manager sign, gotta handle these. Half-pence swagger down hardware lane. Bargain hunting, but they losing the game. Toys in the return, bin dreams on the shelf. Searching for grown-up, but finding themselves. Caillou in the house, acting wild, acting new. Shopping cart rallies, nothing real to pursue. Running up tabs, but the wisdom don't accrue. Home Depot playground, yeah, we seeing you. Orange aisles empty, echoes in chrome. Little hands waving as they stumble back home. Night falls slow, grown-ups regress. Lost in the orange in the world of the restless. Security yawning, mopping up spills. Shoppers still crawling for last-minute thrills. Grown-ups tiptoeing where logic got tossed. Baby blue sneakers dragging like they lost. Cart race silent, lights flicker dim. Mrs. Nutty stops, but 45 him. Vice in the gray slide, say clips. Reapers in on chalk, I made dear dream with them.
Turn this on, bitch. Y'all already know what time it is. You know that I like Coco Lovelock. What the fuck am I saying? Let's do this, let's do this episode, shall we? All righty then, fam. Welcome to another episode of Angry Filipino Series. Episode number 11? Yeah. Episode 11 for the fam out there. Now, if you don't know, now you know. Your boy is also known as the Untouchable, the Unfireable, and absolutely known as the Unstoppable. And y'all already know by now that when my hand goes up, you shut the fuck up. Because y'all already know that we throwing co-workers into the wood chipper. Nah, I mean. So, let's get to this series, shall we? So your boy's been kind of up to something recently. And I know what you're thinking, folks. Where's the waifu episodes? Haven't you done a waifu episode since, what, season 6? Wait, I thought I did an episode on episode 8 of the series.
You lose.
But y'all already know that your boy gets to do the real deal waifu Up in here, up in here. So, anywho, there's this one waifu that I wanted to talk about today here. And unfortunately for me, I haven't seen the movie, the Chainsaw Man movie yet. I know. I mean, a lot of shit's been kind of going on with me. You know, nowadays I'm making music, and unfortunately I have to work that shit job, which requires me to wear an orange apron. And every time when I get home, I'm gonna have to drink beer.
How many assholes we got on this ship anyhow?
Yo!
I knew it. I'm surrounded by assholes.
And yell at people. But I want to get to talk about this character. She is really, 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 really waifu material. And no, I am not talking about Makima. Who probably kills more people than the AK-47.
What's your prediction for the fight then?
Prediction?
Yes, prediction.
Pain.
Nah, I'm talking about the bomb devil herself. You know that Angry Filipino has to talk about her on this episode. And that's none other than the bomb devil herself, Reezy. Oh yeah, this is that fine good feeling that I get to do an episode about the waifus and not talk shit about them coworkers.
Some people are really fucking stupid.
Because I'm not gonna waste my energy talking about them anymore here, folks. Now, one of the things that I found out about Reezy is she is the same voice actress who did the voice of Mei Hatsumi from My Hero Academia, and a plethora of other characters that she voiced. And lastly, she is the voice actress of the waifu herself from Data Live, Kurumi Tokasaki. And yeah, I actually did meet her, like, I think it was twice I met her. And I met Alexis Tipton twice. Yeah, I think I did. I mean, one time it was at SakuraCon 2019. And that was long, long before we had that big cold where everything was shut down here. But just recently, I actually met her at Anime Washington in 2024. So, y'all already know the history of that shit, though. I mean, it was, I guess, like, she's a nice person. I mean, I'm glad that she's probably going around on anime conventions, signing autographs and taking selfies with other people. And, you know, thank goodness that, like, you know, I hope if she ever comes back to the Pacific Northwest, I want to meet her again. Kind of like I wanted to meet Mallory Rodak again, the voice actress of Free Ren. But or Jordan Dash Cruz. I mean, great guy. I mean, he signed my Stork pole arm. But like I said, I mean, I haven't personally seen the Reezy arc yet from Chainsaw Man, so please do not tell me what happened here. Kind of like, I haven't even seen the Dawn movie because, like, I mean, I've been kind of angst on wanting to go see season 2 of Dawn, which just recently finished up. I mean, I guess like most of the fall animes just finished their seasons already. And I'm sure that they are finishing up with the final season of My Hero Academia.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Jerry.
But I think I'm gonna probably keep this baby short and sweet because, like, you know, hey, I want to try to get ready to go get some Thanksgiving here. But before I bounce out of here, I'm actually wearing this this hoodie here from I think this is let me see what this hoodie's from. This is from the Senpai Squad. It's the Bad Drivers Club hoodie. I started wearing this thing on Sunday, and I mean, I love it very much. I mean, it's very comfortable. It's something I would really love to wear when I'm not at that orange apron place where it sucks donkey balls and I don't get along with any of my coworkers.
How many assholes we got on this ship anyhow?
Yo!
I knew it. I'm surrounded by assholes.
Because they're mid. Yes, I said it. They are mid. But enough about that, folks. I'm going to go ahead and bounce out of here. And I guess one last thing, though, is that I guess I got her as one of my cosplays for a future con. And a future con. Will it be at Sakura Con? Or will it be at Kumura Con? Find out next time. When I start going back to cons again. But I think that's about it for your boy today. Tell me what you think. Like and comment down below, folks. And all my social media and shit like that will be down at the description down below. Or at the end, when Show Enough tells Batman to kiss my Converse. And if this is the first time you're watching the best, y'all already know who this is. It's your boy, Angry Filipino. All you gotta do right now is go down to the subscribe button down below. Hit the subscribe button and absolutely claim or kick the fucking bell, big dog. But with that in mind, your boy is out ski. Bitch.
Hey, fuck you, man! Who put this thing together? Me! That's who! Who do I trust? Me!
Today, being retarded means leading a full life. Retarded people go to work or school just like their neighbors and come back to a real home. A supervised home, right in the neighborhood, where they belong. Being retarded never stopped anyone from being a good neighbor.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you were here?
The train I'm sure little sheep boy likes trains. Bah! Ha ha!
You an asshole to the end. Punk motherfucker.
Excuse me. Could you tell me where the nearest 7-Eleven is?
Yeah, coolie. Kiss my Converse.
Good night and go fuck yourself.
Hail to the king, baby.
I like jeans, shorts, and black tights on. It makes my